YouTube, welcome back to the House Money Investing channel. In today's video, we're going to look at some cryptocurrencies. I got a bunch of great stocks picks for you guys, probably about 30 stocks or so, ranging anywhere from crypto stocks to ETFs, all sorts of type of things. We'll get into that, and we're going to look at 6 stocks that I just bought. If you like this type of content, the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification. I'd really appreciate that. If you want to know what this channel is all about, what I do here, how much money I've made, how much money I've invested, as well as when I started this challenge, hit the description below. I do give a brief description there about all of that, as well as I have 4 affiliate links. If you want any free stocks or free hit any of those links. You can follow me on any social media platform as well, as I do post daily about stocks and cryptocurrency. So let's jump into it. This is actually from yesterday, but I didn't include it into the video, so I put it in the beginning of this one. I did purchase Fisker Inc. in the stash account. Looking at some crypto, we had TRX. Had a nice day today. It was up 11.69%. It is sitting at 6 cents per coin. As you can see, I put in $167. It's now valued at $265.13, so it is up 58.76%. Total dollar gain of $98.13, and this is in the Etoro app. Then we had MIOTA. It was up 8.52% on the day, up about 11 cents. It is currently $1.44 per coin. Put in $61. It's now valued at $135.11, up 121.49%. Total dollar gain of $74.11. Then in the Crypto.com portfolio, we're valued at $98.21. We were up 5.81%, up $5.39. We have some movement in VeChain, VET. We have 472 tokens, valued at $43.64, and we are up 10.23%. Now to the CoinBase app. This is Zcash Zinc, currently sitting at $160.69. It was up $89. Well, this is in the past year, it's up $89, up 124%. We have about 25% of a coin, valued at $40.58. Then we got Tezos XTZ. We have a little over 8 coins, valued at $37.06. Then we got OMG Network. We do have 6.18 coins, valued at $36.64. Then we have EOS. We have 7.37 coins, valued at $32.92. Then we got Cosmos, ATOM. We have 81% of a coin, valued at $18.03. Now get into the stock picks. First up, we have Skills, ticker SKLZ. Nice gambling stock here. Then we have AirG, or Airgain, AIRG. Then we have Canopy Growth, ticker CGC, which is a MJ play. Then we have ticker NVAX, Noviax. We have Shopify, ticker SHOP. And Shopify, Noviax are going to be some nice growth stocks as well. Then we have Goldman Sachs, ticker GS, of course, well-known hedge fund. Look at their 5-year return rate. They're performing right around the S&P 500 levels currently. Great hedge fund, great long-term investment. As well as JP Morgan Chase, JPM, pretty much the same thing. Great hedge fund. It's going to perform right along with the S&P 500, so always a great long-term play. Same thing with Berkshire Hathaway. We got Berkshire Hathaway B, Berkshire Hathaway A. All 3 of these plays are just hedge fund plays to get into that would give you pretty much similar results to the S&P 500. A lot of great growth, some great dividend passive income payouts as well. Then we have PayPal, ticker PYPL. Nice technology / financial stock. Of course, everybody pretty much knows what PayPal is. You can set up a PayPal account, buy things online using this account. PayPal, they offer credit lines and things of that nature. I actually personally do have a credit line with PayPal myself. Very great card, and a very great company in this sector of the space, they are, one of the top movers. So definitely a great long-term play here. Then we have Altria, ticker MO, great dividend play. This one here is a sin stock. Me personally, I don't mix personal opinions with business. If it makes me money, I can look past the cigarettes and all that type of stuff, as I am in it for the returns and not for the fundamentals of this particular company. Then we have Raytheon Technologies, RTX, another great dividend stock, great defensive play, great revenue for this company, nice government contracts and things of that nature. Then we have PG, Procter & Gamble, one of the best dividend stocks you can get. This is a recession-proof stock. They make a lot of your household products. If you go in your kitchen or your bathroom and look at a lot of your supplies that you have, this name will be stamped on a lot of those products. So great, very, very great passive income play, and it's going to gain about 11% on the year as well. So nice little growth and passive income in PG, and it's pretty much stable. You put your money in here, not worry about it, pretty much. Then we have Merck, ticker MRK, another great dividend play as well. Then we have BlackRock, another hedge fund. You can put in the category with Berkshire Hathaway, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs. Then we have another nice dividend play, Main Street Capital, which is a REIT. So this is going to be a monthly dividend payer. So definitely a nice passive income play as well. Another great consumer good dividend play is BGS, B&G Foods. Then we have a nice recovery stock here, a travel stock. This is a sector that's going to do very well in 2021. It's pretty much common sense with everything shut down. Airlines took a beating last year with the pandemic coming to the end, the V-shots coming out, things opening back up, people ready to travel. A lot of people have a lot more money saved up than usual. On average, probably about $3,400. Millennials probably spend more than that. So American Airlines is a great play, ticker AAL. Then we have TCAT, ticker TKAT. And this one is actually pretty unique, as it's in dealings with, and it runs on price movement of NFTs, which is in the crypto space, the blockchain space, the digital art and things of that nature. So this one, you can expect a lot of growth with, as NFTs are really starting to take off. Then we have CAN, ticker CAN, in the NFT space as well. So another great growth play. Then we have ticker SAVA, nice growth play. We have BlackRock Future Tech ETF, ticker BTEK. This is going to be a great ETF, gives you plenty of diversification, low volatility. It's going to be in the tech sector. As I showed earlier, BlackRock is a hedge fund that I do like, and I do love their ETFs. Some of their holdings are like Expedia, ticker EXPE, which is pretty much a travel lodging kind of stock. Do your research, look at all the companies like hotels.com and things of that such that are under the Expedia umbrella. Hotels.com, it's all sorts of companies under their umbrella. So a very great stock here. Then we have ticker IETC. This is iShares Evolved US Technology ETF. Once again, in the technology sector. NASDAQ is very beaten down. It will recover, and it will eventually hit all-time highs. So you want to get in these technology plays for the long term, especially right now with the cheaper prices and the more fair evaluations. Eventbrite EB is another Blackshares stock that they've been recently buying. You can go to lucidtracking.com and look at the buy and sell alerts for BlackRock, Global X Funds, ARK Invest, which is Kathy Woods. This is one of the stocks they just recently dumped a lot of money into. It's pretty much an online event planning servicing network app that you can do online, and they can charge like ticket fees and things of that nature to get into certain events if you set them up through these guys. Then we have Guardian Health, ticker GH, another stock BlackRock's been buying heavy into the health sector of the market. This is a sector that's always going to do well, as everybody wants to be healthy. Everybody wants to live a long, healthy life, especially, you know, after the pandemic. A lot of people are paying more close attention, you know, to their health. Then we have another BlackRock ETF. This is Future Innovators ETF, ticker BFTR. We got BlackRock Future Health ETF, ticker BMED. Then we have a nice stock here, OLO. This is a great innovative play, great fundamentals. Do your research and see what this company's all about. Very great play. I'm really excited about the things that they're coming out with. Some very great catalysts coming up for this company. Then we have Roblox, ticker RBLX. This is in the blockchain space. Now we'll get into the 6 stocks that I just purchased. We got ChargePoint Holdings, purchasing the Stash app. This used to be SBE before the SPAC merge. Now I believe it's CPHT, if I'm not mistaken. And this is basically a charging station company for EVs, and they do own a broader portion of the market when it comes to that space, along with like Plug Power, ChargePoint, things of that nature. But ChargePoint is the biggest. Then in the Robinhood app, we purchased 6.23 shares of ticker CSWC, $137 worth. This is a nice dividend financial stock. Then we purchased $138 of ticker AIRG, Airgain, a stock I just mentioned earlier on the watch list. We did get a little over 6 shares. Then we purchased 5.70 shares of SLV, which is worth $139. SLV is basically, it tracks the price of silver. You always want to try to diversify your portfolio, have a hedge against fiat currency, whether that be with Bitcoin, precious metals. You just want to have some kind of exposure, you know, to have a hedge against the fiat currency, if that makes any sense. I love being in precious metals, gold, silver, platinum, copper, etc. So this is a nice play in the SLV. Then Everbright, which I mentioned earlier, I purchased 5.6 shares of, which is valued at $140. And then lastly, we bought $141 of Telray, ticker TLRY. We purchased 5.54 shares. And this will be an MJ stock as well, as that sector of the market will do very well in the coming years as MJ is becoming more legalized around the globe. You know, the economy really needs this boost of revenue, you know, from these products, as well as, you know, medically they've been proven very positive to help with many different conditions. So yeah, those are the 6 stocks that I bought. Gave you guys about 31 different stocks, you know, dealing with blockchain, crypto, hedge funds, ETFs, some nice innovative stocks. We got travel stocks here. We got consumer goods. We got dividends. You know, pretty much a little bit of everything here. And then I showed you guys some of my crypto movements. Tip ranks, know to trust. This was the thumbnail on my last video. Check out tip ranks as well if you want some great analyzed ratings from the top you know, hedge fund analysts in the world. They got price targets, price movements, you know, percentage gains and losses, all types of different bullish and bearish thesis on every stock you can think of. This will pretty much sum it up for the video. Thanks for tuning in. Hit the like button if you liked it. Subscribe, hit that bell. I'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.